Welcome to this product walkthrough. This time we are going to see how Attribute Quick Add works, and how it can save you time when building and maintaining your Magento store. You can purchase it from www.untapgroup.com/store. So, onto the product itself. All of Attribute Quick Add's functionality is in the admin panel. It doesn't directly touch the front end at all. Therefore, in order to access it, we first have to log into the admin panel. Access to the functionality is protected by Magento's native roles and permissions, and your admin panel account needs access to the product attribute setting in order to see and use Attribute Quick Add. So, now we are logged in, we will go ahead and see the functionality working. We'll go into Stores, Attributes, Product. Initially, we'll create a new attribute, so we'll click on Add New Attribute. Now, the important consideration here is that Attribute Quick Add helps you with attributes that are either drop-down or multiple select types. So if we change the catalog input type for store owner setting to multiple select, for example, you'll see a new section of the page appear. This contains the functionality from Attribute Quick Add. Normally, the process of adding new option values is as follows. We have to click the Add Option button, and then we have to add the text values we want. We have to repeat this for every option we want to add. However, with Attribute Quick Add, we now have a large text input field. This is where you can enter all of the attributes option values that you want to create. These can be typed directly into the field, or you can copy and paste them from any other application. So, for example, let's add some additional option values. Notice how these are entered one per row in the input field. If I click the Quick Add button, this has the effect of adding any new options automatically in a single action. This input field could contain hundreds, or thousands, of new option values. The module also takes care of duplicate entries. For example, if I change the input field to contain some additional values, and then click the Quick Add button, you'll notice that only the new values are added. We don't get duplicates. Magento's attribute option values can have different text labels at your website's front end compared to the admin panel. If you have multiple store views, then each option can display differently. Attribute Quick Add handles this by processing delimited values from the text input field. By default, the comma is used as the delimiter. However, this can be changed here. For example, if I add values with comma-separated values into the text box, when I click on the Quick Add button, you'll notice that the relevant fields are populated. Sorting the attributes can, of course, be done manually using the drag and drop functionality. However, if you have many option values, this becomes very time-consuming indeed. Attribute Quick Add provides a Sort Attributes button that does this for you in a single action. They are sorted alphabetically according to the admin value. A Trim Whitespace option tells Attribute Quick Add to ignore any whitespace. This means that empty rows are not added as options. Also, if you have values that have spaces before or after the text, then this is trimmed before adding. This is important, because Magento will see a value with a space after it is different from another value which is essentially the same but without the space, which can lead to seemingly duplicate values in the admin panel and at the front end. As a different test, we'll edit an existing attribute. We'll open the Color attribute, which you'll see is a drop-down attribute type. There are already a few colors defined here, but not many. However, we have a lot more color options to add. In fact, I have a file with 865 additional colors to add. I have prepared this list in a different application, and I am going to copy and paste these into the text area input field. As you can see, there are a lot of options here. Now, I'm going to click the Quick Add button. Adding 865 manually would have normally taken a very long time, but this process takes only a few seconds with our module. You'll see that they are all added to the list. Now if I click the Save Attribute button, this will commit the new options to the database. Now if I go to edit a product, this one for example, will check the attribute. Here you'll see all the options are now available in the admin panel. They are also now available for any CSV product imports that you might do via the System, Data Transfer, Import option. Attribute Quick Add will save you valuable time during your site build, and also after launch if you have lots of option values to add to existing attributes. The module is compatible with versions 2.1 and 2.2, and works with the open source, enterprise and cloud editions. You can purchase it from www.ontapgroup.com/store. Thank you for watching.